Hi big bosses, if you're looking to expand or set up your new business operation in Batu Kawan, listen up. Of late, Penang Southern Corridor is booming and the land prices has been increasing, yet the supply is rather limited. So this could be your final chance to own a piece of gated industrial unit in this booming location before prices jump again. What's more, it comes with Freehold and ESG Certified. This means as a factory owner, you do not need to pay the extra Penang state consent fees and your factory would be appealing to the multinational companies who are ESG compliant. So this is where A-Park at Batu Kawan project comes into play. Today, let me show it to you why A-Park at Batu Kawan by Cubic Group isn't just another factory, but it is a long-term appreciating asset. Batu Kawan is Northern Malaysia's fastest growing industrial hotspot. Major MNCs like Lam Research, Western Digital, IKEA and Benchmark Precision have already set up shop. You are not buying into a future plan, you are buying into momentum. A-Park sits just 5 minutes from the Penang Second Bridge with easy access to the airport, North-South Highway and ports. That means faster logistics, lower cost and greater operational efficiency. These aren't cookie cutter boxes. A-Park offers land starting from 10,000 square feet with build-out from 7,000 to 18,000 square feet. Choose semi-detached or detached depending on what you need. High ceilings up to 30 feet means better airflow, vertical racking potential, or even mezzanine build-out. This layout gives you room to breathe and scale. The structure is solid, designed for real use, not showroom specs only. Each unit is turnkey. Floor loading at 1.5 ton per square meter support machinery, packaging lines, or heavy racking. Power capacity 150M for semi-D, 200M for detached. No more tripping breakers or dealing with underpowered setups. You get 2 to 3 loading bays with dot levelers per unit. This is built for daily logistics. And yes, it comes with full perimeter fencing, boom gates, CCTV, and a guarded entrance. A-Park isn't just ready to operate, it is freehold. No state consent, no expiry clock. You own it outright. Only 50 units in total across 2 phases. Once it's gone, that's it. Zero oversupply pressure, which means your asset value stays protected. Whether you're running operations or planning to lease it out, these units are yielding 6 to 8% per annum net rental returns today, with sub 7-year payback. Whether you're planning ahead looking for a scalable site at a booming and strategic location, or you are looking to invest into a high appreciating industrial asset, A-Park at Batu Kawan would be your perfect choice. Units are selling fast, so what are you waiting for? Call us now before it's too late. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. Hi, I'm Miss Ewan, your Penang Industrial Property Insider.